Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Fishing with DYangBass. I think it's a little too early to be here, but it's also too warm to go to like the ice fishing spots that I do want to go to. Not saying it's melted, but you know, you gotta weigh out your option here. The wind is kicking in a little bit. It's 10 to 20 miles per hour wind. And we're supposed to get a little rain today, so I just said, you know, screw the ice fishing gear and let's try some open water fishing. Plus, I want to talk to you guys about some updates about this channel. But before all that, let's just go and fish, have a good time, and see if we catch something. If we can't, then I'll just talk to you guys randomly and we'll go from there. So with that being said, if you guys are new to the channel, hit that subscribe, like, and comment down below, and let's get right into it. Stay tuned. Alright, so I made it to the spot. I brought a bag of tackle, my baitcaster, my new spinning reel setup, and that's pretty much it. Like I said, it's been warm, raining, higher wind than usual, so I'm talking to you guys now before we get there. Oh geez, and I walked right into some ice. Really, that's smart. But yeah, it's been raining, so that's why this stuff is frozen right here. Believe it or not, it's not cold at all. It's only like it's supposed to go up to 51 degrees today, so we're gonna see if we catch some fish. We're gonna see just some random fish hanging out here in the good old Jefferson Dam, guys. And the water is deeper. Usually I could walk down there and stand down there, but we're not doing that today. So let's see if there's any fish. The water is crystal clear. That's crazy. It's the cleanest I've ever seen it. So I guess I'll talk to you guys while I'm driving on this semi-smooth road. I'm actually going to this other spillway that you guys know of. And oh yeah, don't forget to check out these cool lens from WaterLand. They're awesome. Polarized, they're comfortable, they're sweet, they're swagging. They're dope. We're going to this other spillway. There's tons of carps and like buffaloes there. But I do want to update you guys on like what's going on with me, right? And geez, my forehead is showing. I want to say there won't be any videos for the next like 2 weeks. Let's just say March, okay? Because I gotta get some stuff, get some life stuff situated, and you know, just projects. I don't want to spoil anything yet. It's nothing bad, okay? I promise you, it's nothing bad. It's just that hopefully that what I do now, it's a good thing. You know, it's gonna open up more spaces. It's gonna give me more opportunities to produce content for you guys. So just more stuff for you guys. I'm trying really hard to hold my tongue here and not say what's going on, but again, thank you guys so much for supporting me, always watching my videos, commenting, liking. You guys know who you guys are. I really appreciate you guys. So if you guys want to help me out, continue to watch my old videos. I got tons of multi-species videos. I have tons of videos on catfish, smallmouth, largemouth, boat fishing, walleyes, crappies, bluegills, everything, and produce better and more content for you guys. So enough talking, let's go bend some rods on some carp and buffaloes, and I mean hopefully we get some other fish too, but I guarantee there'll be a bunch of like carps there. So stay tuned, I'll see you guys out in the water. Hey guys, trunk is open. Oh dang, I can see the freaking carps in there. Alright, I won't go too far, I'll just stay around here. Carp City. Oh, what the heck? As soon as it landed, I got a giant one on, guys. Oh, and it popped off. As soon as it landed. Oh my dude, I hooked onto a freaking fish right away. It's a big carp too. I'm trying to show you guys what I'm talking about here. These things are massive. Right on the fin, guys. Ooh, it's ugly. It's skinny as heck. And he's beat up. Oh, and it popped off. That's fine. Yeah, you guys saw that, man. Like as soon as it lands, it just lands on a bunch of fish. Oh my, oh dude, I think this guy actually hit it. It's on his head. Freaking buffaloes. Look at this, right on his eye, dude. And there are some cool looking fish though, I'm not gonna lie. Look at this. Got him right in the head. Like, they look like freaking Pokemons, bro. Look at this. Look how dark they are. Right in his freaking eye. My bad. But look at that. Don't get me wrong, they are good eating. I just don't want to eat them today. Oh jeez, relax, relax. That's the fish right there. The fish that we all hate and love at the same time. I mean, I like them, but most people I know hate them. So, look how cool they are. Okay, jeez. Oh my god, hooked into a freaking buffalo. At least I really get to test out my my drag. It's really nice. It feels good. It's not slipping. Oh yeah, it's a buffalo, right? There he is. This drag system's really smooth. Dude, this guy's cute, man. Cute fish. Relax, relax. See ya. Goes right to the wall, I mean, I guess. Oh my, that's a big freaking fish. I think it's a big guy. Let's see. Test out the new reel, right? Oh, it's just hooked on the side. Just a runner. It's not giant, but he's a runner. Look at him go. Crazy as heck. It's pretty. It's a very pretty fish. Look at it. It's so cool looking. They're really, really strong. Yep. They're not quite the quillback, but they are the buffalo. Quillback have a longer little fin right here. It's actually pointy. This one, it's just a pretty fish. See ya, buddy. So pretty looking. They tend to hang out in the same area, but so you get them. I think that's a carp. It's a buffalo. They do pull hard, guys. They pull really hard. They're pretty darn cool looking. Look how big this one is. It's huge. Show you guys how big and cool they are. Oh, relax, relax, relax. Chill, buddy. Okay, it's not gonna let me hold him, so it's just too big to hold. Throw him back in. It's a pipe. He's looking at it. Oh, I got him! I got him! Oh no, he popped off! No! That was a pike. As soon as I raised it, he grabbed it. Ah, dang it! Hook wasn't strapped anymore. buffalo. You can tell the way how they run. Alright, I'm done here. Come on, hop it off. Oh, I went through the freaking gill plate. Sheesh. Look at that. Relax. Bro, you weren't even hooked. Okay. My bad. Oh my gosh. And you hook yourself again. Alright, I'm done with you, bro. I'm done with you. I ain't helping you no more. I tried. Alright, well, we're gonna go to one more spot and that's it. Holy cow. It was nice to test out the new reel, but it'd be nice if it was fish that actually did matter. I mean, they do matter too, man. All fish matter, don't get me wrong, but they do pull hard. The drag was smooth, didn't slip or anything. But yeah, we're gonna go try this other spot for panfish.